scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. For part A, create an array list of integer to store the inversion values. Use nested loops so that the first index examines each position in the array and the second index examines every later position. Whenever numbers of j is greater than numbers of k, the pair is an inversion, so add numbers of j first and then numbers of k to the list. Because the inner loop only checks positions, after j, each inversion pair is included exactly once. For part B, first call all inversions numbers to get the list of all values that appear in inversion pairs, then examine each value. Numbers and use countOccur inversions numbers I to find how many times that value appears in the inversion list. Keep track of the greatest count seen so far and the corresponding value. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.